Let's walk through creating a bow using the bow tool from 141 Design Company. We're going to make a 2.5-inch bow using our double-ended bow tool design. You'll take your ribbon and with the longer end away from you, I usually cut these longer than I'm going to need to give myself enough to work with, and the shorter end towards you. You're going to hold it down with your thumb, bring it down from the back, and then up across the top and through this spot between the ribbon and the bow tool. Then bring it up and around through the middle of the tool and down through the loop that you created the first time around, right where my thumb is. Thread it through the loop and you've created your knot. Now you're going to go ahead and tighten it down, pull each side snug, and manipulate where the knot's going to be. You'll want to slide that over and just adjust it as needed. And then from the back, I usually make sure I've got it the way I want, slide it off the tool, making sure that the bow is exactly the right shape. I go ahead and take some scissors and snip off the excess. The bow tools are available in two sizes. One tool creates a 2.5-inch and a 3.5-inch bow. The other one creates a 1.5 and a 4.5-inch bow. This is the width of the bows. You can buy both of them or you can buy them individually. Together, you'll be able to create 4 different size bows. Also included is a complete set of instructions, step by step, with photos on the inside for reference. Bow tools are available at chantelles141.com.